Alright, so today I installed some LED lighting under my 3 pinballs, and this LED lighting has 14 different effects. It can do fades and colors from red to white to green to blue, yellow, etc. There are sweeps and other types of effects, but probably the coolest effect is it has a microphone. So by strategically placing it under the center of the 3 pinballs, I can basically get flasher effects coming off all 3 of them. So let's see how that works.
You are so naive. It's the dark, you just brought us towards us, and we must face it prepared.
Alex, man, hit the brakes! Don't come running! We got a job to do. Hit the button.
Get inside the Blackbird. Move it, people.
Stop my vision of the future now.
I'm packing a bazooka behind each hour.
The storm is coming for humankind, Charles.
For Identity Disc Multi-Ball.
Okay, for our final one, we're going to try Tommy. Alright, that's LED lighting under my pinballs.